Today we're taking these two simple red plastic containers and turning them into something incredibly useful for your workshop. First, let's get them lined up perfectly on our workspace. Using an angle grinder, we are going to remove the top lids. Take your time with the blade to ensure the cut is straight and clean. Safety first. Keep a steady hand as you work around the edges. Now that the tops are removed, we have two open top containers. They look great and are ready to be transformed into our custom organizer. The edges can be a little sharp after cutting, so we'll use a piece of sandpaper to smooth them down. This ensures our finished project is safe and comfortable to use. Now that our edges are clean, it's time to join these two containers. Hold them tightly together so the sides are perfectly flush before we move to the next step. We'll drill a series of holes along the joint. These will act as our attachment points. Make sure to keep your spacing consistent for a strong and professional-looking bond. Next, we insert the rivets into each hole. These are going to provide the structural support we need to keep our organizer sturdy and reliable. Finally, use the rivet gun to secure each one. Apply firm pressure to ensure they lock tightly. Once you're done, you'll have a single rigid frame that's ready for the final touches. Now that our frame is assembled, we need to focus on those rough cut edges. Using a piece of medium grit sandpaper, carefully work your way around the entire perimeter. This step is crucial for getting a clean, professional finish and making sure there are no sharp spots left behind. Take a quick look to ensure everything is uniform. Once the surface feels smooth to the touch, you're all set and ready to move on to adding our internal organization. Now it's time to build the interior structure. To keep our tools organized, we need to create custom dividers. Carefully measure the interior width of your container and transfer those measurements onto a wooden board. Accuracy here is key to making sure everything fits snugly later on. With our lines marked, we can proceed to cut the wood. Take your time with the angle grinder to follow your lines closely. We are creating several panels that will section off the main bin into smaller, manageable compartments for better storage. Let's test the fit. Slide your wooden panels into the container. They should slide in smoothly and stay upright on their own. Once you see they fit correctly, you've got a perfect internal layout that will keep all your gear in its proper place. To make this organizer easy to carry, we need a sturdy handle. Take the top piece we cut off earlier, mark your center, and drill the necessary holes to secure our handle mechanism firmly in place. Now align your handle piece with the holes and use your rivet gun to lock it down. Make sure it's tight so it can handle the weight of your tools. This solid connection is what makes our project truly portable. With the handle attached, we can now mount this top section to our main container frame. Drill through both pieces to ensure they are perfectly aligned, then add your final rivets to close the gap and secure the structure. We're almost there. Just add a few more rivets around the perimeter for extra strength. This final check ensures your organizer is completely stable, durable, and ready to hold all your gear without flexing. Now for the best part, filling our custom-built tool organizer. With these new dividers, everything has its own dedicated space. It's so satisfying to see our tools finally organized, easy to reach, and ready for the next project. We've turned basic plastic containers into a rugged, multi-purpose toolbox. It's portable, sturdy, and cost-effective. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more clever DIY projects that help you save money and reduce waste.